The Active runs Android 7.1 with Vernee's very own VO overlay. This adds some interesting features like a pop-up wheel that delivers shortcuts, including one that starts in extreme power-saving mode which extends the phone's life to 620 hours, essentially turning it into an expensive feature phone. A fast charger, 9V2A, will provide up to 87% of the battery's capacity in an hour. Benchmarks. Here's how the Vernee Active performed in our suite of benchmark tests. Geekbench, 849, single-core, 3985, multi-core, 2719, compute. AnTuTu, 70796. PCMark, Work 2.0, 5102. Passmark, 5375. Passmark CPU, 126465. AndroBench, sequential, 251, sequential read, 190, sequential write. AndroBench, random, 82, random read, 13, random write. ThreadMark Slingshot Extreme, 705. HWBot Prime, 4702. The screen of the Active was bright enough even in daylight, and we didn't encounter any lag or sluggishness in our tests. All in all, the Active performed as well as other handsets that use the same hardware combination, as you would expect.